Go, go, go. Go behind.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, the clip that you saw is literally when we went to Missouri, and yeah, I had the clips, but I had never ever like uploaded it anywhere because of because right after that all the things that took place, you know, I had the conflict with my parents and stuff like that. So yeah, due to that reason I hadn't like uploaded it anywhere, but it's time. I think you guys need to see it because it was such a fun. We didn't have any plans. We just said we will go to Missouri, and like it's one of the bestest thing to travel with your siblings. Like if you haven't and you kind of planning, try to execute it because I don't know, we are like four of us together. Yes, from my own mother. Like we're four of us, and Shiva was not there because she was in our in-laws, and we had made plan. Like the ninja had come to Delhi, and Vaishnavi was already with me, so we were like, let's go, let's have some, great time together, only us. And then we went to Missouri. I don't know, I had gone before, but it felt completely different going with them and exploring the locals with them. Because, see, once you go with some different people, see, you have been spending your entire life with your siblings, right? And that obviously the different sibling when you're traveling with your siblings and when you're traveling with a person whom you have just known for like 3 to 4 years. So definitely it was one of a lifetime experience that I had. So these clips that I'm going to put right here next, in the next few seconds or minutes, it's the only clips that I have. And I don't know, I was so overwhelmed with the idea that we were traveling together. I didn't make a complete vlogger's vlog. It was just me and few clips that I took here and there, only that. But it was very nice. So if you want to travel with your siblings, because it's a one time life experience that you'll have. So yeah, and yeah, I'm just going to describe it in a very short way. So yeah, we were planning for Missouri. Then we just took wait yeah, we took a bus from Delhi to Missouri. It was like just overnight, and then we stopped in a restaurant. No, we took the bus, and everything was like literally shorted. And yeah, we the entire like 4 days or 4 to 5 days we stayed there, and the entire trip was only riding the scooty, going to places only via scooty. So no car, nothing. And to be very honest, it was one of the best trip I have had so far. No, like so far, because people were so known to you. Even if you do something, you just had to be yourself. Like you don't have to pretend to be somebody else, and just be you, if you get my point. So it was amazing. So yeah, just let me just wind up with the clips that I missed out in a long time now. And yeah, also today's a Sunday, and after put on the vlog, I have few clips from the entire week what I did. So I'm also going to attach that at the end of the video. So yeah, let's go. We took our bikes from the town of Missouri, and they had lot of scooties out there. We also had bikes, but but none of us knew actually how to ride a proper bike, so we didn't board the bike. We just took the scooty, and it was phenomenal. Best decisions we made. And the views, we stopped at every point. We felt like stopping, like as if we own the day kind of thing. And it was so adventurous, so good. Like I can't tell you, like it was so phenomenal. and that is Vaishnavi coming back from, coming back of us. And yeah, it was like so good sunshine, good weather, everything was so phenomenal. Then we reached the Kempty Falls. It was extraordinary. The falls were so pure, so fresh, and it just gave the whole kind of vibe. Then we went back to again ride because many places were far from, you know from one area to another. So this is the entire town of Missouri. It was phenomenal again. Like, people were so down to earth. So we stopped by to eat something, and then again we headed for the sunset. Like, they had a point, I don't remember which point, but they had a great sunset out there. So we were heading towards that, and in between came so many beautiful places. We stopped by, we took pictures, and like, if you guys are planning, you should come to Missouri and just take a scooty. And then we had the greatest sunset of all time. It was this, like, a little late, but it was worth it the climb. We climbed so up that once it got hard for us to climb with the scooty, so I had to get down and take a walk. And that's it. It was so good. Like, I'll always cherish this moment. This is the exact place where we boarded our scooty, like, if you can see. And from there, the next day we headed to a great view again. It's a view place where they had this helicopter ride, airplane rides, and the great view you would get from there. So we are heading towards that. In the middle, there were so many, like, botanical garden, flower garden, and so many other places. So we just rode, and I can't tell you, it was the best trip ever. Like, don't go by car, don't go by, take a local scooty and just ride it over the roads. You'll feel the nature, you'll feel the air, you'll feel the existence of pure creatures out there, pure nature. And this is a spot where we came for. And again, it was again very peaceful, very less people, and kind of, again, revived all of our brains. And I think this was the last day. We also went to Labasna. It is very famous for IA student, and then ended up with a great desert. We went to monasteries, which was again excellent and very calm, peaceful. We also went to this cherry blossom garden again. It was awesome, and it was the exact time we needed to be there. So it's always said that if it's meant to be, it will be, and it will happen at the exact time. Then we ended up eating our brunch at the great JW Marriott, and they had these people singing, and yeah, the food was amazing, like amazing. And that's it. So that was the trip that we had to Missouri, and it was phenomenal, like phenomenal. Yeah, let's go with the other clips now of the entire week. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is again a day out because I'm sure you guessed it. Yes, we have to get Raghav's vaccination done, and yeah, we also thought of why not go out and enjoy a little bit while we are all of
now
us
his studies
together.
over.
राघव ने किया पॉटी और हम लोग को क्या सुगंध आ रहा है गाइस. अभी तक वो रूपा वगैरह है ही. What a vibe. I think after ages, like, we're out, all of us together. Shiva, oh god, look at this girl. Look at this girl. Son is going to get vaccinated. I'm scared. Raghav, no. I might cry. Because we have come for his vaccination, so it's like after one patient, so हम दिलवाएंगे से सुई. So let's go through his journey for the first ever time. Like, I'm putting this out on the vlog,
I
but
guess we are for
yeah.
the first time together, guys. In the vlog.
Hey, ow. And I'm in my night dress. We just told her to come because she was literally sleeping. तो हमने उसका exam just खत्म हुआ है कल, and we told her just come, like doesn't matter what you're wearing, we just have to be together. So family and sibling time. Let's be going. लेकिन अब चलने लगा है ना तो हमेशा लाइक कुछ ना कुछ खा लेता है। आई थिंक इसलिए इसका पेट बहुत वो। Yeah, the doctor. Hi. Hi. Hi, doctor. Got 2 vaccines. He got the vaccine and now he's happy. Ask him then, go. And we are again in Domino's because सबसे पास में वही है कुछ अच्छा. So this is the entire situation in here. So we did some shopping too, and yeah, chocolava cake spilled all over me. And yeah, it's tough. It's tough to carry babies, everything, and I'm literally so tired. Come. She's the girl. She's not even willing to carry a thing. It's raining and it's the best feeling ever because I don't know, after so long I'm coming out and during the drive I think after 9 to 10 months the first time it's raining is so good. How about you guys? Evening walk, evening not so evening. It's just afternoon. So yeah, let's go. So we have a new air fryer in the house. So I don't know what this does, but I've heard a lot. And let's see क्या होता है. मैडम जी ट्राई करेंगे. सबसे पहले बोलिए फ्रेंच फ्राइज. Just for French fries. Guys, welcome back to my channel and today आज हम लोग कर रहे हैं photo shoot. So I'm wearing dangri and Raghav is wearing dangri, so we both are gonna twin.
तुम्हारा फोटो खराब हो जाएगा हाँ करोगे
Raghav, hello, hello. Today, me and Shiva, since the baby is sleeping with mom, and now he is finally getting to know us. Like it feels like okay, they are my own, and he started to feel safe with us. Like he comes to our lab, he sleeps with us, he eats with us. Even if Shiva is not there, he's always playing around. He doesn't cry like he used to before. Like we planned on cooking something very special. I will tell you guys. Yesterday we had a great photo shoot. Let me put down some extension of it. So yeah, that was a great photo shoot that I had with Raghav today. Ooh, I think it's gonna be cooked a little more or what? Okay, the chef, you guys. It's her who I was talking about.
I think it's made oh oh
Yeah,
hello cut kare
yeah. I'll eat two, no?
चलो देखो तो
Okay, give me the thing. I need my chop, guys. Typo is ready.
that's just why I made this
Close it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Or you have to take a leap before you take a long jump. So I think maybe this was my break, but now I've started to wake up at like 7:30 every day because I'm just waking up at night, preparing the milk and stuff. So again, that is making me like stay awake for the next 1 to 2 hours. So I don't know, it does not feel good, but waking up at 7 and 8, I don't know. I just miss my old days when I used to wake up at 5 and go for a walk, complete my 10,000 stuff, but it's fine, right? Back to my channel और हमारा संडे का ब्रेकफास्ट ये है. We have idli, sambar, chutney, little bit of almonds and little bit of fiber in there. And yeah, I can't wait to eat. I also chopped my hair all by myself and I'm feeling so good. Like, so good. Mmm. No, it's yummy. Sunday's breakfast always feels so special. Like when we were in the first boarding school, we used to get bun, samosa, rasgulla, and breakfast. Like that was a treat. That was a treat. So what we used to do is we used to cut the bun, put the samosa, smash it, put the another pair of bun. It was so amazing. Well, bye. Bye bye. See you. So thanks for watching the vlog. I love you guys so much. I literally had this week was completely like, I had lows and highs. Also, I was feeling completely lost because I had my phase going on, if you understand. And yeah, this is what the result is. I chopped off my hair. Guys, also one very important note. I downloaded the Substack app and I just like saw it in a gram. Like, if you are just scrolling and scrolling, you need to open something to read which makes sense, like complete sense.